Today I gonna demonstrate timeline widget. Using timeline widget, you can make a layouts like this and like this. There are lots more possibilities available. So let's get back to in the Elementor backend. To get this timeline, you need to use timeline widget from the plus add-ons. To begin with, there is option for style. There are two styles. Both style have not much difference. Those are the difference are like in a style 1 there is a line in between icon and the title, and in a style 2 there is a tooltip kind of layout between title and the icon. So those are the two styles. After that there is a masonry layout. If you turn it off, you will see the difference. The first layout will occupy its full space, second will occupy their full space. In this method, in this traditional method, you have lots of space going around and which is not useful. That's why we have developed a masonry layout. Once you turn it on, all will be too close. Sometimes you will see such kind of effect. That is because masonry layout needs a regeneration. So if you are seeing this kind of effect, you just need to update and refresh the page and you will see the effect as it was. So let's go back to the history and back to the normal. And you will see the layout as it was. After that, you have options for the content alignment. You can make it left, center or the right. And then you have a repeater to add different timeline sections. In the first section, you have option for the icon, image or none. So you can select whatever you want. This will go in this center part. We have selected font awesome and a search icon. After that, you have an option for the pin title. We have set up a pin title over here with this text. And you can select pin's position. If you want that on the right, you can select that from here. If you want that on the left, you can select from here. And let's keep that top. Once you put that on the top, there is an option for the content. Here you can select the title. You can see here. Then you can select the description. You can write it down. After that, you have option for the content type. That means if you want image content, that is like this, in which you also can select the image as well. Let's select one image. You will see the image is available here. There is also option for the link if you want to put a link, and then you can open that on a new tab or add new follow. Then you have option for to display a button, turn it on or turn it off based on your needs. Here is some other examples, like you also add iframe by putting code over here. You also use the template which is made in Elementor. That means if you select any template, let's select this template, you can use that over here. This is not optimized template for this particular part, but you can see whatever you will select, you will see that in that first section. So let's get back to the what it was previously. Let's go to the image, and then as it is you can add multiple. After that, you have option for the start and end pin. So for that, let's see the another example where start and end pin is available. For example, here you can select if you want to put a text, image or icon on top where timeline is starting. In about demo, you can see here we have used icon, and in example 3 we have used the text layout for the end and start part. So here we have selected text, we have put the title over here. Same for the end pin. you can select both over here. These styles are for the pin in a center. If you select a style 1, it will be like this, just on hover, and if you select style 2, it will rotate on hover. After that, in a style tab, you can start with the loop pin style. That means all the title, you can increase that using this. But in this demo, we don't have any titles. Title is considered like here. In this example, we have used date as a title. You can see over here pin title, and you can adjust its typography using this option like this. Their colors, their background colors, their border radius, every options are available here. After that, you have option for the pin icon style, in which you can adjust the icon size, its background color, icon color, on hover color, and border radius. In a title style, you can adjust the typography, and most of our options are for the responsive as well, so you can adjust the title in responsive mode as well. Then there is the normal and hover colors. Same options available for the description, typography options, and the color options. Then if you have selected button as a turn on, you will have options for the padding, it's a typography, top offset of button. Let's see the example of button, so you will get a clear idea about that. In a button option, this is the default text, or you can change that button text from the repeater as well. If you have turned on from here, you will see the text which you can put from this option in a repeater. If you don't want that, and if you want a global text for the button, you just need to go to button option and you can put that over here. Then you have option for the padding, typography, offset, and all the cosmetic options like a text color, background color, border width, border color, border radius, and box shadow. All these options are available for normal and for the hover condition. Then you have options for the pin start and pin end. Those are the cosmetic options like a color, icon size, and so on for the pin start and pin end. There are some extra options as well. Those are the divider gap between content. That means if you want to increase the divider gap, you can adjust that, and that is available only in style 1. You can increase the gap. You can see the gap over here. You can increase that, or you can decrease that. If you increase a lot, it will go outside of your content area. So these are the options in the timeline widget. Thanks for watching and keep crafting amazing websites. See you in the next video.